Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Gamma AI, an AI-powered tool that lets you create beautiful presentations, documents, and websites in just a few clicks. Forget spending hours formatting slides or writing content. With Gamma, you just type your idea, and it instantly generates a polished professional result. So let's dive in, test some prompts, and see how Gamma AI works in real time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. I am using Edge browser to test these prompts. First, let's see a brief introduction about this AI. What is Gamma AI? So what exactly can Gamma do? Generate presentations from simple prompts. Create one-click websites and documents. Add AI-assisted editing to improve your content. Design visuals with built-in templates and AI-powered layouts. In short, Gamma is like ChatGPT, but for slide decks and storytelling. Now let's take a look at Gamma AI in action with some prompt examples. You can select any option given here, like if you want to create anything using AI, click on the Create New AI button, or you can create on your own. For this video, I'm going with AI, so I'm selecting Create New AI. Now select Generate option to generate what you want. Now you have 4 options. You can create presentation, create website, create document, or even you can create social media content. You can choose based on your need. Now let's see some prompt examples. Prompt 1. Create a presentation. Here I am typing prompt as create a 5-slide presentation on the future of artificial intelligence. Now let's see what Gamma generates. Within seconds, it generated slides with titles, key points, and visuals, all editable. This is a real time saver for students, professionals, or anyone preparing quick decks. Prompt 2. Write a business document. Here I am entering prompt as write a 1-page business proposal for a food delivery startup. Let's wait for some time to get this generated. Gamma delivered a clean, structured document with headings, subpoints, and even design elements. No more struggling with formatting. Prompt 3. One-click website. And here's the coolest part. Gamma can generate websites. Now I am typing prompt as create a personal portfolio website. Let's give this some time for its response. Gamma produced a neat scrollable site with sections for About, Projects, and Contact. So that was a quick look at Gamma AI. It's fast, simple, and focused on presentations, docs, and websites. Is it better than traditional tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides? For speed and creativity? Absolutely yes. Gamma AI is still evolving, but it's one of the most practical AI tools out there today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.